But this one's called Cruise Ships of the Mersey, and it's a celebration of visiting cruise ships from the 1930s onwards, with the terrific posters and specifications and owners of all of this history of cruise ships, from Albatross and Apollon, Azores, Caronia, A to Z, as you can see, large and quite small, Hebridean cruise liners, the Queen of Bermuda from 1933, pictured in front of the Liver building, Caribbean Princess, Carnival legend, Mardi Gras. It invites you to take a landmark voyage of discovery. And an 85-year history is celebrated here in our Cruise Ships of the Mersey, published at £17, and through bibliophilebooks.com. It's just a bargain price of £6.